Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to learn Spanish online, fluent and easy. You first go to the website SpanishFit.com/group/classes. I will leave a link down in the description so you can go to the website. It's here you can see fun online Spanish group classes. Learning Spanish doesn't have to be lonely or boring. Practice with peers in a group setting while enjoying activity and game-filled lessons. Take unlimited lessons 24 hours a day. Monday till Friday. It got on a 4.9 out of 5 stars. Here's a little video explaining it. It's fun and supported, fully customizable and true immersion. Let's go down. You get a personalized certificate of achievement. It looks like this. Let's go down. This is how it looks like in the app. You also have grammar if you want to. And here are the teachers. These are some of the teachers and their mission. Here's a review of a student, and here are also the recorded classes you can look. There are some plans right now. There's a special offer with my link. It is an affiliate link, but if you would like to use it, it would help me out, but of course you don't have to. But right here you can see you have a starter for $99 a month, a conversational for $249 per 3 months, and $399 for 6 months. You can cancel anytime and you will be built on a recurring schedule until you cancel. So you get unlimited classes with this, licensed teachers, class for all levels, free one-on-one, which I think is actually great, money back guarantee, and cancel anytime you want. So that's everything you need to know. Here are FAQs. Is this for adults or kids? They are perfectly for both. How can you schedule? How can you pay as well? And what happens if you cancel your plan, etc. More than 1,000 happy students, 100% satisfaction guarantee, and serious about security and privacy. That's actually it, guys. If you would like to join, you can go to the link in the description, and if you have any questions, please leave them below.